Hey everybody, this is Bill with the Cajun Homestead. Real quick video. I came and put up my new rain gauge. Actually, I put it up about a day and a half ago, and it filled up and it laid over. I used the little plastic stake that came with it, but it does also have a little bracket or whatever you use that you can mount it on something. So that's what I did. I should have done that the other day when I did. But anyway, got another thunderstorm headed my way, and I kind of want to keep a record, a running log of how many inches of rain we getting. I'd like to have one of them fancy weather stations, but I don't think I'll be able to get one of them. I just don't have the budget for that right now, so this will have to do. But anyway, I'm fixing to go back inside, and just wanted to show y'all my handy dandy little rain gauge. So anyway, this is Bill with the Cajun Homestead. If y'all like this video, be sure and click on it. Thumbs up. Hit the little bell so you will get a notification when I do post another one. And please leave a comment. But anyway, I'm going to head inside before I get hit by lightning. I've been out in the weather long enough for these last 2 days. So I will talk to y'all later, and y'all have a great day. Later.